Hello, my friends! I'm here with another 10-minute vocal warm-up today. 10 minutes seems to be a pretty popular length for a quick vocal warm-up, so I thought I'd give you another option. Don't forget to look down below at the information below this video for all of the latest news and announcements. Take a moment now to connect with your breath and align your body, releasing any tension that isn't serving you. Let's do a lip trill on Now, if a lip trill doesn't work for you, you can sing on a v or a zh. Here we go. Let's hum now. Teeth are apart, lips are together. We'll sing Aim for a buzzy feel at the front of the mouth. Here we go. Now we can descend on zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. Find some commonality between the oo and the e and allow the lips to stay flexible. Here we go. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Zooey, ooey, ooey, ooey. Let's move now from a focused NG sound, to a more open ah. We will sing ah. Here we go. interval work, let's sing on money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Working now on negotiating the middle range, let's sing on he, ah, like this. He, ah, he, ah, he. Here we go. He, ah, he, ah, he. 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 He, ah, he, ah, Here's another exercise to work on mid-range balance and flexibility. Let's sing on D, like D. Keep it light and easy. Here we go. D. Let's move now to a major triad arpeggio. We can sing on ma. Let's double it up and we can sing ma. Here we go. Ma. Finally, let's open up to a full octave arpeggio and let's sing Oh How I Love to Sing. Sing it like you mean it. It sounds like this. Oh how I love to sing. Here we go. Oh how I love to sing. 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 high down. Thank you so much for warming up with us today. If you like this, I hope you'll give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Also, let me know in the comments what you're working on with your voice. See you next time!